Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. I am the representative from our group. There are me, Novia Soliha, and Ermita Zakia, also Nurul Sofia. So we will start to tell you about our research, and the topic of our research is aggressive behavior in psychological and Islamic perspective. So this research aims to systematically identify aggressive behavior through psychological and Islamic perspective. This research is qualitative research with a library research approach. Well, why we choose aggressive behavior to be in our topic research? Because aggressive behavior can be interpreted as behavior that aims to hurt others in physical, verbal, and relational. In Islam, aggressive behavior is called matsmumah morality, in a sense, dolim, as despicable behavior. There are explained in Al-Baqarah, Hud, Al-Ma'idah, Al-Kahfi, Al-Anbiya, and Al-Kabut. Aggressive behavior is one indicator in people with behavioral and emotional disorder. Children with high levels of aggression are often diagnosed as having disruptive behavior problems, or BPD. A rise in youth crime in delinquency suggests that aggression and related behaviors among children is a serious problem. So we have to know how to prevent this behavior problem. For these reasons, there needs to be a more in-depth study of aggression behavior from a psychological and Islamic perspective. If this behavior is not prevented and handled quickly, it will have a negative impact in the future. The impact of aggressive behavior can have negative psychological and physical effects. Aggressive behavior is predictive of delinquency in adolescence and adulthood, including dropping out of school, bullying, and exhibiting acting out behaviors. Aggressive behavior is one indicator in people with behavioral and emotional disorder. Factors that make aggressive behavior is from environment. The most consistent set of predictors was gender, mostly in male, family actions against violence, with violence, anger, and academic performance, and alcohol use. Learning process, reinforcement and imitation of the model, like from the parents, television programs, from YouTube, and so on. And how to prevent aggressive behavior? In Islam, good anger management. The person wins the fight to defeat the desires of his patient to aggressive behavior to others. In children, we can teaching social skill through storytelling. We can tell them the story of our Prophet Rasulullah. In adolescence, counseling in Islam. We can use ablution, prompting the concept of believing in the hereafter, transcendent, decency and forgiveness, and reconciling. And the conclusion of our research is, based on this research, it can be concluded that study of Al-Quran and Hadith about aggressive behavior has a correlation with psychological studies, where aggressive behavior is behavior that tends to be negative. Aggressive behavior is a behavior that aims to hurt or injure others. The factors that influence this behavior are from the environment. If this behavior is not prevented and handled quickly, it will have negative impacts in the future. Aggressive behavior can harm both himself and others. Therefore, in Islam, aggressive behavior is classified as dolim actions, which, in the sense of language, means that the path of truth is closed, and there are several precautions that can be taken from both in Islamic and psychological perspective. Thank you so much. There are from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.